Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you cute shoes, hype, and dress to impress you need to try. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to wear these boots and then I'm going to move to this area and then I'm going to wear this one. Okay, and now let's move to the dressing room because we're going to use Myra heels. Okay, wait, let me go to the dressing room and then we're going to wear this one. Okay, now let's exit the dressing room and then I'm going to change the color. For this boots, I'm just going to leave it like that and let's move to this item. I'm going to color it this pink. Okay, and for the Myra heels, I'm going to wear this pink. Okay, I'm just going to color it pink like this. Just going to make them this pink. Okay, can you use this color code guys? Alright, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, this is so cute and you can wear it for the sweetheart theme like this or the pink theme. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.